Hello, you are welcome, my dear students of Prep 1. How are you? Today we will talk about Unit 2 Force and Motion. Lesson 1 Fundamental Forces in Nature. Force. What's meant by force? To know the meaning by force, let's see the following examples. If you put a book on the table, can it change its position from static to motion without force? No. The book on the table remains static as long as no one moves it. Why? Because there is no force acting on it. The wall doesn't move when you push it with your hands because the force acting on the object is improper. The static ball moves when you kick it with your foot and stop when the goalkeeper catches it because the object state changes from static state to motion state or vice versa when a proper force acts on it. The ball changes its direction when the player delivers it with his head because the direction of the acting force is in the opposite direction of the movement of the object. Now we can define the force. What's meant by force? Force is an effect that attempts to change the object state from being static to motion or vice versa, or to attempts to change the direction of motion. The measuring unit of force. Measuring unit of force is Newton. What is the fundamental forces in nature? There are many different types of forces. These forces can't be seen in nature, but we can feel them in some phenomena. What is these phenomena? Number 1, lightning and thunders. Lightning and thunder. 2, wind motion. 3, the gravitational of object to earth. 4, the attraction of iron to magnet. The attraction of iron to magnet. There are forces causes technological application such as generating the electric current, fire weapon, nuclear explosion, nuclear reactors. Now we will know the 3 types of forces that belong to these phenomena. Number 1, attraction force or gravitational force. 2, electromagnetic force. 3, nuclear forces. Nuclear forces divide into weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. Again, there are 3 types of fundamental force in nature. 1, attraction force or gravitational force. 2, electromagnetic force. 3, nuclear forces that divide into weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. The gravitational force. Gravitational force. Who discovered the gravitational force? Newton. Newton was the first one who discovered the Earth's gravitational force when he was standing under a tree and he found an apple falling down on the ground. What happened? Then he proved that the masses are attracted towards the earth itself by a force. This force is known as the Earth's gravitational force, and This force depends on the masses of the objects.